Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from RedotPay. So first of all, you need to launch your RedotPay application and then sign in into your account. Now here on the home page itself, you are going to see the available balance in your account. So as you can see, I currently have some USD available. So over here, tap on the more option, and among the given options over here, you will see the transaction section. And in the transaction section, the fifth option would be withdraw. So you need to simply tap on the option of withdraw. Now you can select whether you want to withdraw on chain or you want to withdraw the local currency. So let's say I want to withdraw on chain. Now you need to simply select USDT. Then you just have to simply select the network. So you can choose the BEP20 network, let's say. Then in this address section, you just have to paste the address from any of your wallets or exchanges in which you want to basically withdraw the USDT. Now after entering the address, you just have to enter the amount, and the minimum withdrawal amount here is $10. So you need to simply tap on the option of withdraw, and this way basically you will be able to withdraw your money from RedotPay. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.